COLORLOCK Aniline Clean and Care Kit is a special care kit for all open pore and aniline leathers. You will find it on armchairs, sofas, but also on few cars. And how to use is easy. In the kit we have the aniline cleaner and a sponge. We start with this and later we care it with the aniline cream and the cloth what is also inside. Less product on the sponge, never directly on the leather please, and also press the cleaner inside of the sponge that you don't have too much material on the surface, and then you can go directly on your leather, less pressure, circle moving, go gentle over this area and don't make it too wet. Please use less product. You can apply again some products that makes more sense. Not too much on one step because you are getting risk to have water stains, and that is nothing what we want. So when you clean everything, let it dry. It goes very quickly. It needs 5 minutes room temperature, no problem. And then use the aniline cream, shake it a little bit. Don't apply directly on the leather. Please use the cloth. Add something here inside. Press it in, and then less is more. A little bit product. And work from one area to the next area. Don't try to do everything on one step. Just do it step by step, makes more sense. And you get it more proper. So if you want it a little bit more glossy, then use a new gloss, what is dry. And when the aniline cream is also dry on the surface, then you can polish it. If you want more gloss, we have a aniline cream, how we call gloss cream, who has a more gloss effect after polishing. Thanks for watching, have fun, try by yourself.